Looking for a smarter way to advertise your business? Welcome to the world of QR code advertising, where simplicity meets conversion. From billboards to product packaging, QR codes are everywhere. But did you know you can turn those tiny squares into powerful marketing machines? QR code advertising uses trackable QR codes to send users directly to your landing page, offer, or even WhatsApp chat. No typing, no confusion, just scan and go. Imagine this: a QR code that directs you to the restaurant menu. A real estate sign that opens a direct call to the agent. A print ad that triggers a WhatsApp chat for instant support. With QR code advertising, it's not just print, it's interactive. Track how many people scanned, where they're from, and what device they used. Perfect for testing your ads and boosting ROI. Ready to launch your first QR ad campaign? Head to IMQRScan.com. Create branded, dynamic QR codes in minutes. Start turning every printed space into a conversion opportunity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more marketing tips. QR code advertising is the future. Be part of it today.